Hi, I'm Josh Duhamel. Many people in my home state of North Dakota have been impacted by the recent floods and severe weather. Help people affected by disasters like the current floods and winter storms by donating to the American Red Cross Disaster Relief Fund. Your donation enables the Red Cross to provide shelter, food, counseling, and other assistance to victims of disasters. The American Red Cross relies on your support to meet the needs of disaster victims. To make a contribution, contact the American Red Cross today. Your help is urgently needed. Call 1-800-RED-CROSS or visit redcross.org. Thank you.